Hello, welcome to Cybernova. Today we are going to learn how to locate the network range of a target website using the ARIN Whois database search tool. For this demonstration, we will use www.certifiedhacker.com as our target. First, we will turn on our Windows 11 virtual machine and then we will open Edge browser and navigate to the ARIN website. In the search bar, we will enter the IP address of our target organization, which is 162.241.216.11 for certifiedhacker.com and hit the search button. Voila! We now have the network range information along with other useful details like network type and registration information. That's all for today's demonstration. Remember to close all the windows and document all the information that you have gathered. Stay safe and keep learning.